The Lord showed me heaven and hell. I can describe it both. Hell is unbearable, not even a second, not even a split second. It's unbearable. Heaven, when you make it to heaven, remember, you will say this: finally, I am home. That's home. Here it's not. Never was, never will be. Here on earth is transit. Transit is not home. Home is your destiny. Where are you flying to? That is home. You transit only to get to home. Earth is transit, but heaven is home. And when you make it to heaven, you will say for the first time ever in your entire existence, finally I'm home. And what a home it is. Woohoo! I'll leave you with this, and Elias is not here, unfortunately. I'll leave you with this. Do you know the Psalm of King David, the psalmist David? You know when he describes heaven, exactly how the Lord showed it to me. Not to me, to this piece of wreck. To this piece of wreck. Exactly. King David says, the floor or the ground of heaven is of pure gold. Holy, pure gold. That's how you're going to see it. It is holy, it is pure gold, nothing earthly, nothing. The gold on earth is dirty compared to the purity and the holiness of the gold of heaven. That everything here is dirty. The floor is what? Gold. What is the floor? It's the place where you tread on, walk on. Wow. What do people do on earth when it comes to gold? They kill each other to gain gold. The very gold which we killed one another for it, the Lord will make it the floor we walk on. For those who are faithful and love Him from the heart. The very gold will be trampled under your foot in heaven. Because the Lord says, no matter how precious heaven is, it is not as precious anywhere as you, my child.